Hello students, we will start your exercise number 31, which is simplify. So let's start with question number 1. 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 8. There are three fractions with different denominators. It means this is unlike fraction, so we have to take the LCM. 2, 4 and 8. So let's take the LCM with the lowest number. 2 ones are 2. 4 also goes in 2's table. 2 2's are 4. 8 also goes. 2 4's are 8. Then with the 2, write 1 as it is. 2 ones are 2. 2 2's are 4. Again with the 2, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, and 2 ones are 2. So LCM of 2, 4 and 8 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So your LCM is 8. Now we have three fractions. 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 8. Keep the denominator LCM 8. Now 8 also goes in 2's table. 8 goes in 4 times in 2's table. 2 4's are 8. So what you have to do? Multiply that 4 with 1. 4 into 1. Keep the sign same. If there is a plus sign, you also have to put plus sign here. 8 goes in 4 table. 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is equals to 8. Multiply that 2 with the 3. So you have to write 3 into 2. Then keep the sign same. If there is a minus sign, you have to use minus here. Then 8 goes in 8's table one time. Then multiply that 1 with 5. Then 5 into 1. Now you got 4 into 1, 4. Sign plus, plus sign. 3 to just 6. Put the subtraction or minus sign. Then 5 upon 8. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. So your answer, it is equals to 5 upon 8. Your answer is 5 upon 8. Let's do the next question. Question number 3, which is 1 upon 4 minus 5 upon 9 plus 7 upon 12. This is also unlike fraction because of the different denominators. So we have to take the LCM. LCM of 4, 9 and 12. Start with the 2. 2 2's are 4. Write the 2. 9 doesn't goes in 2's table, so you have to write 9 as it is. 12 goes 6 times. Then 2, 1, 9 and 3. Then with the 3's table, 1, 3, 1. Again with the 3, 1, 1, 1. So LCM of 4, 9, 12 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2's are 4. 4 3's are 12. And 12 3's are 36. So you got the denominator, which is 36. Now you have three fractions. 1 upon 4 minus 5 upon 9 plus 7 upon 12. Put the LCM in denominator at a denominator's place, which is 36. Now 36 goes in 4's table. Yes, 9 times 4 9s are 36. Multiply that 9 with 1. Keep the sign same. If there is a minus sign, put the minus sign here. 36 goes in 9's table 4 times. 9 4s are 36. Multiply that 4 with 5. 4 into 5. If there is a plus sign, keep the sign same. Put a plus sign here. 36 goes 3 times in 12's table. 7 into 3. 7 into 3. 9 ones are 9. Put the sign same, minus. 4 5s are 20. Put the plus sign because there is a plus sign. 7 3s are 21 upon 36. 9 minus 20 plus 21 upon 36. Now what do you have to do? This is plus, this is also plus. First add the addition, first do the addition, then subtraction. 21 plus 9, 30, minus, put the minus sign. Why? Because 20 is with the minus sign. 30 minus 20 upon 36. It is equals to 10 upon 36. 10 and 36 both comes in, here both goes in 2's table. So we also can cut as 2 5s are 10, 2 18 so 36. So you can also write the answer as 5 upon 18. This is your answer. Now next, question number 7, which is 2 1 by 3 plus 3 1 by 6 minus 1 5 by 12. You have to convert this mixed fractions into improper fraction. How do you convert it? You have to do 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3. If there is a plus sign, put the plus sign here. Then 3 into 6 plus 1 upon 6 minus, because there is a minus sign. Then 1 into 12 plus 5 upon 12. Now you have to solve it. 3 to just 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3. Your first fraction is 7 upon 3. Then plus sign. 6 3 is 18 plus 1, 19 upon 6. Then minus sign. 12 plus 5, 17. Upon 12. Now you have 3 fractions, 7 upon 3 plus 19 upon 6 plus minus 17 upon 12. What do you do now? You take the LCM. LCM of 3, 6 and 12. So let's take the LCM. 3, 6 and 12. Starts with the 2. Write 3 as it is. 2 3 is 6 and 2 6 is 12. Again with the 2. Write 3 as it is. 3 and 3. Then with the 3. 1 1 1. LCM of 3, 6 and 12 is 2 into 3. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. You got the LCM 12. You have 3 fractions. First is 7 upon 3. Second is 19 upon 6. And the third is 17 upon 12. And you got the LCM also. So your LCM is 12. 12 goes in 3's table 4 times. Multiply that 4 with 7. 4 into 7. There is a plus sign. So put here plus sign. 6 2 is 12. Multiply that 2 with the 19. 19 into. Multiply that 2. Sorry. Then if there is a minus sign, then put here minus sign. Then 12 ones are 12. Multiply 17 with 1. Now 7 4s are 28 plus 19 2s are 38 minus 17 ones are 17 upon 12. You got 66 minus 17 upon 12. It is equals to, subtracted, then the resultant would be 49 upon 12. You can also write it as 4 1 by 12, answer in mixed fraction. You can also write as 49 upon 12 or as 4 1 by 12. Both answers are correct. Now question number 10, which is 10 minus 3 1 by 5 minus 5 3 by 10. First, change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 10 is a whole number. You have to convert it in a fraction by putting 1 in denominator. It means 10 upon 1. Put the sign minus sign. 3 multiplied by 5 plus 1 upon 5 minus 5 multiplied by 10 plus 3 upon 10. It means 10 upon 1 minus 16 upon 5 minus 53 upon 10. Now we have three numbers. We have to take LCM of 5 and 10. So take LCM of 5 and 10. Let's start with the lowest number. 2 5s are 10. Then with the 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. So LCM of 5 and 10 is 2 into 5 is equals to 10. You got the LCM and you have 3 digits, 3 fractions, which is 10 upon 1 minus 16 upon 5 minus 53 upon 10. You put that LCM in at denominator's place and your LCM was 10. 10 goes in ones table. Yes, 10 times. 10 multiplied that by 10. Multiply that 10 with the numerator. It means 10 multiplied by 10. Put the minus sign here. 10 goes in 5's table 2 times. Multiply that 2 with the 16. 16 multiplied by 2 minus 10 goes in 10's table 1 time. Multiply that 53 with 1. So you got 100 minus 32 minus 53. First upon 10. First you have to solve this. You have to minus, you have to add this. Add both the numbers but put the sign minus. It means equals to 100 minus 32 plus 53, 85 upon 10. It means is equals to 100 minus 85 is equals to 15 upon 10. You can also cut it with 5's table because 15 and 10 both the number goes in 5's table. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Your answer would be 3 upon 2. We have completed